Chicagoland Quality Plumbing is a locally owned and operated plumbing business in the heart of Chicago, Illinois. We started as a dependable, reliable, and friendly way to get your service work done, and our approach hasn't changed in 15 years. Here are what some of our clients had to say. Amy Bryant says, "Edwin has helped us twice, both with urgent situations.
Once with a sump pump issue and the second was a hot water heater issue.
Edwin was responsive, knowledgeable, calm, and honest. We knew we were in good hands the first time we met him. We'd highly recommend him to anyone."
Mary Lou Stewart says,
"Edwin is an excellent plumber.
We've been using him for years and he's never disappointed.
Very responsive and always on time. His prices are also extremely reasonable. We highly recommend him. We don't just fix the problem, we give you a long-lasting solution that'll give you peace of mind. Call us today to book an appointment."